Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another recipe. So this week's recipe of the week is chicken pot pie, an oldie but a goodie. So I have my large bowl. I have 2 cans of mixed vegetables. I like the ones with the potatoes in them. I did drain these. You'll need 1 can of cream of chicken and 1 cream of mushroom. You can use just cream of chicken or just cream of mushroom, whichever you prefer. I like using 1 of each because I think that it adds more flavor. So you will need 1/2 to 3/4 cup of milk. We're just going to stir this all up. We're going to set that aside. Now we're going to talk about our chicken. So this is 2 chicken breasts that my husband grilled. I think that what makes this recipe so good is that we marinate it in this mesquite, McCormick's Grill Mates mesquite first. So he barbecued chicken last night, so I saved a couple of chicken breasts for this. So I'm going to cut our chicken breast up into bite-sized pieces. So I added my cut up chicken to the bowl and I'm going to stir it up. So I have a 2-quart baking dish. I have my pie crust. You do want a deep dish because this is a deep dish chicken pot pie. You can always split it up into 2 if you would like, and make one and freeze one. So I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to lay down my first pie crust. I like the pie crusts on the top and the bottom. Going to spread it up along the sides. I do put my dish on a baking sheet to bake it in case any of the juices leak over. We are going to dump our chicken pot pie mixture into the pie crust. Smooth it out. So I have the second pie crust, and we're going to unroll it and lay it on the top. You're going to push it down and try to seal it as much as you can to the other pie crust. Make the sides somewhat fancy, I guess, pretty. And we're going to cut some slits in the top. And so I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake it between 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how golden brown you like your pot pie. Okay, so here is our chicken pot pie. I just pulled it out of the oven. It did have some of the filling spill out. That's why I put it on the pan. It is nice and toasty and golden brown. So we're going to cut it open and serve it up.